Intense storms swept through southern Ontario on Wednesday, downing trees and breaking at least one monthly record. Rounds of severe thunderstorms pounded much of southern Ontario through the day on Wednesday, hampering Outdoor Canada Day gatherings with damaging winds, torrential rainfall, and frequent lightning. Hazardous conditions resulted in the cancellation of Ottawa's National Canada Day evening show, as well as the fireworks display.
You should just get in a house.
This decision has not been made lightly. Canadian Heritage posted on Instagram, "The safety of the public, the performers, the volunteers, and the crews remains our top priority." At LeBreton Flats Park, an electronic billboard advised attendees to seek shelter. As heavy rain and winds lashed the area, people ran to vacate the park. Video posted online showed, around 4:30 p.m., the Canadian Forces snowbirds posted online that they would not be able to fly over Parliament Hill as planned.
Hey, buddy.
Hydro One reported nearly 150,000 power outages throughout the province around 6:55 p.m. on Wednesday. Hydro Ottawa said that around 28,000 of its own customers were without power at the same time. Storms thrived as excessive heat and humidity covered the region. Severe weather is common on the northern edge of a heat dome like the one centered over the eastern U.S. this week. A relentless series of strong to severe thunderstorms hit the national capital region through the afternoon hours.
Hey, will you get over here, Emery? I think that area is really clean, right?
Ottawa Airport reported at least 90 millimeters of rain on Wednesday, breaking the record for the most rain ever reported in a single July day. The previous record was 79 millimeters back on July 24, 2017. Damaging wind gusts were common from cottage country through southwestern Ontario, knocking down trees and power lines.
Wow. Look at this tree.
Toronto Pearson Airport saw a wind gust of 104 kilometers per hour as the storms moved through the region.
I heard it on the news.
What is all this light?
Hail.
A risk for severe thunderstorms will continue into the overnight hours and renew again on Thursday. Heavy rainfall is causing localized flooding across Ottawa, resulting in hazardous driving conditions and road closures in some areas. The police said, advising against unnecessary travel until conditions improve. In a statement on social media, Mayor Mark Sutcliffe acknowledged the heavy rain was causing localized flooding, including flooded basements, damaged fencing, and isolated power outages across the city, Sutcliffe said. The heavy rain caused temporary flooding of several roads across Ottawa, including large puddles covering Highway 417 in the Canada and Nepean areas. Large puddles covered the eastbound lanes of Highway 417 at Pinecrest and the on-ramp to the highway at 7 p.m., and large puddles could be seen on the highway in the Terry Fox Drive area. Flooding was also reported on Highway 416 between West Hunt Club Road and the Highway 417 split. It's day 2 of the orange heat warning in effect for Ottawa and Eastern Ontario. Environment Canada is calling for daytime highs of 30 to 35 between today and Saturday, with the humidex making it feel closer to 45. The hottest conditions are expected to continue into Thursday, with maximum temperatures up to 35 degrees Celsius expected, the weather agency said. Damaging winds and heavy rain were possible in parts of southern Ontario Wednesday evening. Environment Canada issued an orange severe thunderstorm warning for a large swath of the province, including the Waterloo region, Guelph, Stratford, and Branford County.
Somebody's caught in the rain. And here it is. Woo.
At 5 p.m., the storm was tracking southeast at 90 kilometers per hour from Kamoka, a community west of London. Environment Canada warned power outages were possible and the storm could cause significant damage to buildings or trees, Wind gusts were expected to reach 100 kilometers per hour, while up to 30 millimeters of rain could fall before the storm moved on later Wednesday evening.